How TurboAnchor implements SAP Business One. We use financial management to improve margins, decrease errors, and facilitate better decision making. An entire set of tools to ensure smooth financial operations, financial reporting and analysis, customer management and sales. It controls the whole sales process and improves the customer experience from the first contact to the closing sale, after sales services and customer support, sales and opportunity management, inventory control and purchasing. Enhance your purchasing processes and manage cost by managing purchase to pay processes, including receipts, invoices, returns, and payments. Business intelligence. Our B1 module in SAP B1 produces timely and precise reports based on industry specific capabilities. We utilize a variety of functions and best practices specific to the industry and processes using tools designated specifically for mid-sized and small-sized businesses. Through SAP Business One, mobile apps give you instant access to the most current information that will help you manage your business from anywhere, anytime.